If you want to improve your English, watch this story till the end. This story will help improve your spoken English confidence. Emma never ignored messages. But one night, everything changed. At exactly 11:59 p.m., her phone buzzed. A new message appeared. Unknown number. Don't open your bedroom door. Emma frowned. It had to be a prank. She looked around. The room was quiet. Then another message arrived. Someone is outside. Her heart raced. She walked to the window. The street was empty. No people. No cars. Only darkness. Another message appeared. Do not look behind you. Emma froze. Slowly, she turned. Nothing. She laughed nervously. This is ridiculous, she whispered. Then, her bedroom door creaked. Someone knocked. 3 slow knocks. Knock. 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 Emma stepped back. Her phone vibrated again. Stay silent. She held her breath. The knocking stopped. For a few seconds, everything was quiet. Then she heard footsteps. They moved away from the door. Relieved, Emma sighed. Another message arrived. Do not check the hallway. Curiosity took over. She opened the door. The hallway was empty. Only one thing lay on the floor. Her own phone. Emma stared at it. Confused, she looked at the phone in her hand. It was gone. Her hands were empty. She looked back down. The phone on the floor buzzed. A final message appeared. Too late. The lights went out. A cold hand grabbed her shoulder. Emma screamed. The next morning, her apartment was empty. The police found only one phone. Its screen was still on. The last message remained unread. It said, "The next message is for you." No one ever discovered who sent it. Some messages are better left unopened. Did this ending surprise you? Subscribe for more mystery stories to improve your English with easy vocabulary, suspense, and exciting twists.